What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back to The Grade. Today is day 29 where I'll show you before and after of a real project that I've done. And so let me mute this because it has music on there. The point of this video is just to walk you through my thought process in creating this. Now I will say I don't edit in DaVinci. I edit in Final Cut and I take that cut up version of the clip and put it in DaVinci to color grade, and then I'll go back. And I'll talk about that next in the full process of that in the next video. My thought process for this, now you're gonna see on the color grade side there's letters and numbers and all that stuff. The raw clip doesn't have that. As you see, during this important shot, my gimbal was glitching. You'll see the BTS camera right here getting caught in the actual footage. This is on my gimbal, and he had just turned my way. I wanted to have a high intensity color grade to match the shots I got. The whites are a little bit more bluish, but I like the look for that for this video. Just for my personal style, that's what I was going for. That's all personal preference, that's depending on the style you want to do. But that's just for me, that's what I was going for in this video. This locker room scene came in clutch because they were down at first and then they came back, and so him giving them this pep talk at the beginning of the game kind of fit within the storyline of the video I was creating. And I used the same principles I've been teaching you guys throughout this whole process of color correction before grading, and then applying different effects, different things that we've been talking about, different techniques that we've been talking about within these 30 days to get this look. We talked about skin tones. Look at his skin tone. You see the raw side over here, and then on the left, you see the color grade. Always gotta get your skin tones right. No matter what you do, you have to have your skin tones right. They can be stylized. You don't wanna have people looking too orange or having them looking too whatever other color. You know what I'm saying? We masked out these two players here. These are two different shots. This is a shot of the dude catching the football and these two players celebrating a touchdown. I masked out these two players fighting for the ball, and that also applied with the color grade I was doing. Same here, another mask. So we're working with multiple techniques within our color grade that we've been talking about in this whole process of the grade. That's it for the walkthrough for this video. Thank y'all for being on this journey. Tune in for the last day, day 30, where we talk about my full color grading process. Deuces.